About this item, versatile digital multimeter, accurately measures AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode. This multimeter is a really useful tool for solving industrial and household electrical issues. Suitable for household outlets, fuses, batteries, including vehicles, automotive circuit troubleshooting, charging system, testing electronics in cars, etc. Troubleshooting with accuracy. This multimeter has a sampling speed of 2 times per second, built-in a backlight LCD display with 3 1/2 digits, 1999 count, 0.6, and high polarity including negative and positive readings. Ensures safety, double ceramic fuses anti-burn and protects from overloading. The silicone cover is able to protect the multimeter from failing, damage and prevent electric shocks. And low battery indication will be displayed when battery power is low. Ease of use, support data hold, low battery indicator and continuity buzzer. Includes convenient feature like LCD backlit screen, makes it easy to use in dimly light areas. Battery/set of test lead/user manual are included. Additional tips, this multimeter is designed to troubleshoot a variety of automotive and household electrical problems safely and accurately. It's a suitable tool if you want to do some household or commercial improvements, whether DIYers or hobbyists. Note, this meter cannot test AC current. Ensure your multimeter is set to the correct setting before testing. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, versatile digital multimeter.